The next flagship from LG will be called LG G7 ThinQ, which is a successor of LG G6. I'll be giving you top 5 specifications of the LG G7 ThinQ. Towards the design of the LG G7 ThinQ, you will be getting a bezel-less design which is found in almost every new Android smartphone like the iPhone X, Samsung Galaxy S8. It will be providing you edge-to-edge display with a notch for front camera and call speaker, while on the back you will be getting a glass panel. Looking towards the display of the LG G7 ThinQ, LG G7 ThinQ has almost the same display specifications which was found from the last year LG G6, as it has almost the same screen resolution of 1440 by 2880 pixels and the same display technology of IPS LCD panel. But on the LG G7 ThinQ, you will be getting a bigger screen size of 6.1 inch over the last year's LG G6 model. But if you compare to the IPS and LCD panel on the LG G7 ThinQ, then you will be disappointed, as the AMOLED panel on the Samsung Galaxy phone provide much more vibrant colors and better viewing angles, and provides a better sun legibility as compared to the IPS LCD panel used in the LG G7 ThinQ. Talking towards the extra features of the LG G7 ThinQ, you will be getting amazing AI features like the voice assistant, which the Samsung recently announced on the Samsung Galaxy S8, known as Bixby. LG will not stay far behind with the Samsung and bring its own voice assistant. Not only that, you will be getting amazing AI features for the camera, which will provide several image enhancements and provide a better experience while taking photos and videos with the LG G7 ThinQ. Coming towards the performance of the LG G7 ThinQ, you will be getting Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 chipset, having octa-core processor running 4 cores at 2.8 GHz and the other 4 cores running at 1.7 GHz, which will provide a quite stunning performance. Not only that, you will be getting Adreno 630, which will provide quite decent performance in terms of high-end gaming, and you won't be disappointed with the stutters and lags found in the game part. On the back of the LG G7 ThinQ, you will be getting amazing dual 16 megapixel camera setup with f1.5, which will provide fantastic results in low light photography. Not only that, you will be getting wide angle sensor, which will provide big beautiful landscape picture, which is the trademark of the LG and dominates the Samsung Galaxy phone and the iPhones in the market. Finally, talking about the price of the LG G7 ThinQ, it will be between the LG G6 and the LG V30 to around $650 to $800, and it will be provide a cheaper option to the Samsung Galaxy phone, as it opts IPS LCD panel over the Super AMOLED displays, which are quite cheaper as compared to the Super AMOLED panels.